Welcome to our artificial flower factory. With 16 years of experience, we specialize in high-end faux floral products for the B2B market. Our clientele spans the globe, and we're proud to deliver unmatched quality in every piece. This arrangement exemplifies our attention to detail, realism, and craftsmanship, qualities that have made us a trusted partner for businesses worldwide. Whether you need floral solutions for decor, events, or more, we're here to bring lasting, vibrant beauty to your brand. Choose us, and let's grow your business together, across borders and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular video updates, and feel free to contact us via WhatsApp or email for more information. We look forward to connecting with you